Good morning, sir. So, I am Christine Daniel Busantras from HM41A, and today I'm going to discuss about ROP and EOQ, or reorder point and economic order quantity. So, what is reorder point? So, the reorder point is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operations and preventing stockouts. So, in getting the ROP, there is a formula. So the formula is usage times lead time plus safety stocks. So usage is how many stocks we'll use, and lead time is how long it will arrive or deliver. And safety stock is extra inventory kept to cover unexpected demands or delays. So, for example, a restaurant in Palawan, Philippines expected a daily usage of 40 kilograms of pork. The anticipated delivery is 10 to 15 days. When will they place the order or pre-order point? So, the formula is usage times lead time plus safety stock. So, the usage is 40 kilograms of pork times the lead time 10 to 15 days plus the safety stocks is 40 kilograms of pork and the 5 days nga kuan sa 10 to 15 days. So, 40 kilograms of pork times 10 equals 400. Then 40 times 5 equals 200. So, itotal na naman duha, 400 plus 200, ang gawas niya is 600 kg of pork. So, mo na siya yung ROP. So, after getting the ROP, ato na naman makitaan kung kanus ka mag-order balik and mo na siya ang makita na sa nimo kung dire sa place order, lead time, makita na siya. Mo na siya dira. So, economic order quantity. So, it is a vital inventory economic management tool that helps businesses optimal number of units to order to satisfy customer demand while minimizing associated costs such as holding, ordering, order quality, and shortage cost. So, in simple words, it is a calculation used by business to find the ideal number of items to order at one time. So, in getting the EOQ, mo na siya ang formula na gamiton. Number of orders per year, or NO, total ordering cost per year, or TOC, average inventory, or EI, total carrying cost per year, or TCC, and total cost, TC. Mo na siya ang mga formula na gamiton. So, in getting the EOQ, mo na siya ang example. So, numbers of bottles of milk required annually kay 10,000, the cost of placing an order kay 10, then the annual carrying cost per bottle kay 0.80. And yung formula is EOQ equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So, EOQ equals 2 times 10 times 10,000 bottles divided by 0.80. Ang magawas ana kay 250,000. Then, ang square root anang 250,000 kay 500 bottles of milk. So, mao na siya ang imong EOQ. So, next is number of order per year. Mao na siya imong kwaon. So, the formula is N divided by 500. So, NO equals 10,000. Kaya mo na siya imong N. Then, 500. Since mo na imong EOQ result ganina. So, yung imo na siya divide, ang magawas ana kay 20 orders. So, mo na siya ang imong NO. Next, kay ang total ordering cost per year or TOC. So, ang formula na is TOC equals NO times OC. So, ang imuhang NO kay 20 orders. Ang nakuha naman ganina. Imo siya i-times sa cost or sa times 10 kaning cost of placing an order. Ang gawasan na niya kay 200. So, mao na siya ang imuhang total ordering cost. So, in getting the average inventory sa formula is EOQ divided by 2. So, EI equals 500 bottles, kay mo ni EOQ, divided by 2, ang magawas ng answer kay 250 bottles of milk. So, mao na ang imuhang average inventory. And next kay total carrying cost per year or TCC. So, in getting the TCC, yung gamitan ng formula kay TCC equals EI times CC. So, ang CC man siya ang annual carrying cost. So, 250 bottles times 0.80, ang magawas ana kay 200 TCC or total carrying cost mo na siya ang TCC. So, last kay, ang pauna po nato kay ang total cost. So, ang formula kay TC equals TOC plus TCC. So, total carrying cost nato kay ay total ordering cost kay 200 plus 200 nga total carrying cost, ang magawas ana kay 400. So, mo na imuhang total cost. Ug mao na siya ang last. So, mao na siya ang formula or solution sa pagkuha sa EOQ. Thank you.